Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your PayPal invoices. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your PayPal account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. Once you're logged in, you want to access the invoice section. In the top navigation bar or the bottom navigation bar, you can just click on tools, and then you want to choose the invoicing option. Next step, you want to create a new invoice, or you can just edit an existing one. So to create a new invoice, click on create invoice. Whereas to edit an existing invoice, you just want to select the invoice from the list. The fourth step is to customize the invoice templates. Now you can select from various invoice templates to create your own custom templates, or you could just create your own custom templates. You could also upload your business logo to the invoice templates and adjust the layout, fonts, and color scheme to match your brand. Now you can add custom fields and details. So you can add custom fields such as purchase order number, or a customer reference number if you have one, and then specify payment terms such as due dates, payment methods, and late fees and the likes. You also include a personalized message or notes to the customer. Next is to preview and send the invoice. So you want to review the invoice to ensure that everything is accurate and complete. And once that's done, send the invoice to the customer via email or share a link to the invoice. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to customize your PayPal invoices. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.